First five, to all players, stop in. Wait lang, rep.
May inutos lang kay sa ating isang committee.
Wait lang. May ano lang. Okay. Yung pakitanggal po lahat ng mga suot na hikaw, kwintas, singsing, porceras, pinaka-importante po sa lahat, ang bulitas. Bawal po yan sa loob ng laro. Okay, game run. First fight. Jump ball. Siwa, pure 16 ball. Nice. Outside, same ball. Inbound, number 8. Pass to number 7. Itaw, pero nakuha pa rin. Pinasa kay number 13. Pass to number 1. Binigay kay number 7, Artes. Dribble the ball. Pinasa, 3 seconds. Violation. BYA team ball. Inbound number 13. Pass to number 13. Benitez. Pass to number 2. The pass. The pass. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 1. Subahib. Binigay kay number 13. Black. Pinasa kay number 7. Artes. Pass to number 8. Siason. Bitawan. Nakuha ni number 13 ng CY8. Pass to number 1. Subahib. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. Foul. Who's Paul Rupp? Number 8. First personal foul. First team foul. No good. Lost one shot to Paltrow. One point. Inbound number 20, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 1. Back to number 8, Chasson. Chasson, jump shot for 2 points. Number 23, inbound, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez. Number 1, Hubahib. Sumalaksak, layup, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Hubahib ang bola, ipinasa kay number 2, the pass. Jump shot, no good. Pure 16 ball, number 13. Pinababa na ang bola. Pass to number 8, pass. Outside. Walang kumuha. CY18 ball. Inbound. Number 1. Pass to number 13. Back to number 1. Hubahib. Stable the ball. Outside, pure 16 ball. Inbound, number 20. Number 8, Chasson, jump shot for 2 points. Number 1, Hubahib, binababa ang bola. Hubahib, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak, Ako ng foul. Loose ball rep. Number 7, Artes. First personal foul. Second team foul. One point. Last one shot to Panchero. No good. Rebound by number 13. Jump shot no good. Nakuha na ng player 16 ang bola. Pass number 8, Shason. Shason, pinababa ang bola. Shason, dribble ball. Pass to number 20. Jump shot back by number 1, Hubahib. Pinaba ng bola, pinasa kay number 13. Number 13, foul. Number 8 again. Second personal foul, third team foul. Man, no good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Rebound by number 13, third 16 team. Nahanap na papasahan, pinasa kay number 20. Number 20. 8 seconds. Violation. Substitution rep. Inbound. Number 2, the pass. Pass to number 30. Number 30, dribble the ball. Nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni number 2. 4 to shoot. 2 to shoot. Still by number 2, the pass. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 1. Hubahib. Sumalaksak. Nasundot ang bola pero nakuha pa rin yung Hubahib. Jump shot. No good. Number 7. Nakakuha ng bola ng Pier 16. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 13. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 30 ang bola. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 2. The pass. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1. Hubahib. Inangat. No good again. Rebound by number 7. Artes. Pass to number 15. Number 15. 8 seconds. Violation. Time out. Your 16 team. Number 30, dribble the ball. Benitez. Pinalit kaya. Still the number 15. Pass to number 6, Dignos. Dignos for 2 points. Number 30, pass to number 13. Back to number 30. Pass to number 2, the pass. The pass, pinasa kay number 1, Hubahib. Pass to number 2, oh, foul. Number 6. Substitution rep. Number 6. First personal foul, warning to penalty. no good. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point. Substitution. Rub. Okay, and pound. Warning for delaying the game. See. Red, Sina, red. Red. CYA. Warning for delaying the game. Number 6, Dignos. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Number 15, sumalaksa. Pero pinasa pa kay number 6, Dignos. Turn to shoot. Still, nakuha ni number 15 ang bola. Ng Pier 16, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib, binaba ng bola. Number 1, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 7, Artes. Pass to number 15, back to number 7. Number 7, binaba ng bola. Artes, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 6, Dignos. Pass to number 3, no good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. Pass to number 3, Espinosa. Binigay kay number 1, Hubahib. Umikot. Jump shot for 2. What a shot, man. Number 6, Dignos. Dribble the ball. It's still the number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib. Pass to number 2, the pass. Foul counted by number 2. Who's foul? Sino foul, Rep? Number 6. Foul counted. Second personal foul. Penalty. One shot. No good. Nakuha ni Hubahib ang bola, number 1. Bitaw, pero nakuha ni Silvas. Jump shot. Nakakuha pa rin ng foul. Who's foul? Number 3. Penalty. First personal foul. Penalty. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. Jump shot. No good. Number 15 is still by number 2 to pass. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib. Pinigigin ng Espinosa. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 7. Pass to number 15. Back to number 7. Artes. Pass break to number 14, Corsanes. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 3 ang bola ng Pier 16. Number 3, pass to number 14, Corsanes. Fake shot. Sumalaksa. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul, Rob? Number 13. First personal foul. First team foul. Subdivision rep. Subdivision rep. Inbound number 14. Pass to number 7. Is still by number 13. Number 13. Binabala ang bola ng CY8. Pass to number 50 pero nakuha ni number 19 ang bola. Binigay ulit kay number 13. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 13. Inbound number 3. Pass to number 14 ng CY number 16. Number 14 sumalaksak. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 2, the pass. First personal foul, second team foul. It's brought to you by Robert. Inbound. Number 15, pass to number 7. Binigay kay number 14 ang bola, Corsanes. Corsanes. Binigay kay number 3. Back. 3 to shoot. 2 to shoot. 1 to shoot. Oh, shot like that. Offensive foul. Number 14, Corsanes. Subdivision red. In number 19, Kendry. Kendry, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, nabitawan. Ako na number 15 ang bola ng Pure 16. Pass to number 7, pass break kay number, still by number 19, Kendry, number 2 the pass. Kala ko si number 19. Pass to number 15. Nakakuha ni number 15 ng Pure 16, pass to number 14. Nakakulang foul. Number 3, Espinosa. First personal foul, third team foul. No good. Last one shot to front row. One point. Number 19, pass to number 3. Jump shot, no good. Natabig ni number 50 pero nakuha ni number 7 ng Pure 16 ang bola, pass to number 15. Number 15, Dorado, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 13 ng CY8, pass to number 2, Debaz. Binaba na ang bola. Debaz, pass to number 19, Kendry, sumunod sa jump shot, no good. Nakuha sa outside ang bola. CY8 team ball. Inbound, number 15 ng CY8 team. Substitution, rep. Substitution, rep. Number 15, Cabrera. Jump shot. Bola. Same ball. Number 19, Kendry, jump shot. 4-3 pass. Number 19. Number 8. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Binigay kay number 3, Lil Wayne. Time to shoot, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola, Hubahib ng CY8 team. Binaba na ang bola, Hubahib, sumalaksak. Diretso na for 3 points. Number 1. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 3. Number 3, Lil Wayne. Dribble the ball. Remaining time, last 45 seconds. Score 18-7 in favor of CY8 team. Number 7, 6 to shoot. Oh. Who's foul? Who's foul, rep? Number 3. Number 3, second personal foul, running to penalty. Substitution, rep. Okay, inbound, number 18, pass number 8. Jump shot, no good. Same ball. Inbound, number 18, pass number 14, Corsanes. Sumalaksak. Oh, outside. Foul. Offensive, rep. Number 14. Penalty raw.
Ilan na, Corsanes?
First personal foul, penalty. Remaining time, last 27 seconds. 1 point. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Inbound, number 21. Pass to number 19, Kendrick. Binigay number 1 ang bola, Hubahib. Hubahib. Yan. Take shot. Pass to number 21, Gaspay. Jump shot. No good. Only number 8 ang bola. 30 seconds. Shasson. Jump shot. No good. Rebound again kay Shasson. Pass to number 3, jump shot. No good. Number 7, Artes. No good again. Iskate na. Yeah. Okay, inbound, number 1, ng CY8. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 2, the pass. Binigay kay number 30, Benitez. Back to number 2. The pass, tip of the ball. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Ako ng foul. Number 16, Guerrero. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound, number 1, pass to number 30. Nice to ni number 7, pero ako yung number 1. Pass to number 20, binigay kay number 14, Corsales, ng tier 16. Pass to number 20, pass to number 1. Number 1, dribble the ball, kumalaksa, pero still ni number 13 ang bola ng CY8. Yun, pinasri kay number 30, Benitez. Foul! Number 1. First personal foul, second team foul. Is brought to you by no good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Nakuha ni number 7, Artes. Pass to number 1. Number 1, pass break to number, still the number 13. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Binigay kay number 13, Sidwin Kiram for 2 points. Inbound, number 1, pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 7. Number 7, Artes. Binigay kay number 1 ang bola, jump shot for 2. Inbound, number 13, pass to number 20. Number 30, Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, the pass, walaksa. Nakuha ni number 15, pass to number 30. There's the shot. For 2 points by number 30, Benitez. Number 16 is still the number 13 ng CY8. Pass to number 2, binigay kay number 1, Hubahib. Tinira. no good. Nakuha ni number 16, ng pure 16 ng bola. Pass to number 20. Oh, foul. Substitution rep. Foul, number 2, the pass. Second personal foul, first team foul. Number 8, Jason. Pass to number 16. Number 16. 60 shoot. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib. Pinababa na ang bola. Hubahib, oh. Foul, number 16. Second personal foul, third team foul. Remaining substitution rep. Remaining time is 7 minutes and 46 seconds. Score 22-11 in favor of CYATM. Inbound by number 13, pass to number 30. Pass to number 2, the pass. Back to number 13. Number 13 is malaksak. Hirap. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul rep? Sino foul rep? Number 14. Nandito ako sa baba. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Ako ni number 1 ang bola, Hubahib. Hubahib, give it up for 2 points. Trabaho. Inbound number 16, pass to number 8. Pass to number 7, Artes. Pass break to number 14, Torsanes. Kapit ang bola, pero binakuha pa rin ni Guerrero ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola, Hubahib. Binaba na. Hubahib, diniretso na. No good. Follow up, no good. Nakay Hubahib pa rin ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Oh, foul. Number
20. 30.
First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution rep. Subdivision.
Sana all Iglesia.
Inbound. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Sumalaksak. Jump shot for 2 points by number 7. Artes. Inbound number 2. Pass to number 14. Benitez. Pinabala ang bola. Benitez dribble the ball. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 13. Nilayup for 2 points. Inbound number 7. Pass to number 16. Back to number 7. Mamaya na ba? Back to number 16. Artes. Guerrero. Binigay kay Corsanes ang bola at tiniraw. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 2. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
No good.
Last one shot to Paltrow.
Last one shot to Paltrow. One point. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Okay, inbound. Number 3. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Binaba na ang bola. Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 19, Kendray. Kendray. And to shoot. Foul. Number 14, ng Tier 16. First personal foul, penalty. Penalty. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow.
Last one shot to Paltrow.
No good again. Nakuha ni number 15 ang bola ng Tier 16. Oh, nakuha pa rin ni pass break kay number 18. Pass to number 13, jump shot for two. Number 13. Inbound number 13, pass to number 3, pass to number 30, Benitez. Binaba na ang bola. Number 30, pass to number 3, Espinosa. Oh, traveling violation. Sabdaw tayo. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Time out. CYA team. Inbound number 8, Jason. Remaining time lost 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 26-16 in favor of CYA Kia. Number 15, Dorano. Binaba na ang bola. Dorano, pass to number 8, Jason. Jason, dribble the ball. Jason, pass to number 10, Corsanes. 8 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Corsanes ang bola. Big shot, sabay tira ulit for 2 points. By number 14, Corsanes. Number 30, Benitez. Binababa na ang bola. Benitez. Pass to number 19, Kendall, jump shot. Number 3, offensive. Number 3, Espinosa. Solution rep. Pasok lang po. Ayan, pilihan lang po kayo ng babae dyan. Number 3, Espinosa, third personal foul. Okay, inbound. Number 8, Jason. Pass to number 16. Back to number 8. Jason. Pass to number 15. Dorano. Binigay kay Corsanes ang bola. Corsanes, dribble the ball. Sulaksak. Big shot. Inangat. Block by number 1, Hubahib. Na-rebound ni Hubahib ang bola. Number 1, binaba na ang bola. Hubahib, pass to number 19, pass to number 23, jump shot, no good. Nakakuha ng foul. Loose foul. Number 30, second personal foul, warning to penalty. Inbound, number 15, pass to number 16. Number 16, Guerrero. Binaba na ang bola. Guerrero sa malaksak. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 13 ng CYA team. Pass to number 19. Number 19, Kendry. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Penalty shot. Number 13. Ang unang foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 14. Sabdaw. Subdivision rep, number 14, first personal foul, penalty. Rep. No good. Last one shot to cultural. 1 point. Subdivision rep.
Subdivision rep. Inbound.
Inbound. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Number 8, Jason. Pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Pass to number 8, pass to number 7. Turn to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 18. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 1. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Binaba na ang bola. Number 30. Pass to number 1. Hubahib. Hubahib, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 2 ang bola. Pass to number 23. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola. Number 16. Pass to number 7. Artes. Back to number 15. Number 15. Back to number 7. Number 7. Artes. Pass to number 8. Oh. Pushing foul by number... Sino rep? Number 19. Number 19. Penalty raw. Penalty. First personal foul, penalty.
Ah,
1 point. Last one shot. One point. Subdivision rep.
substitution rep.
Inbound. Number 30. Pass to number 1. Back to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Binaba na ang bola. Benitez. Pass to number 2. The pass. The pass. Dribble the ball. Ibinigay kay number 1 ang bola. Fake shot. Number 1. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 16 ang bola. Ng pure 16. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 7. Artes. Ibigay kay number 14. Corsanes. Sumalaksak. Pero pinasa kay number 16. Nice to nakuha ni number 15. Ng pure 16. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola. Inangat. No good again. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 2 ng CY8 team. Pass to number 23, jump shot. For 3. Number 23, Alvarez. 2 points. Number 16, pass to number 14, Corsanes. Sumalaksak. Bitawan ng bola, CY8 team ball. Time out. Your 16. Inbound number 2, pass to number 30. Benitez. Pass break to number 16. Number 16, jump shot. No good. Naipasa kay number 16. Pass break to number 6, Dignos. Dignos, nilay up to 2 points. Inbound number 2, pass to number 30. Benitez, binaba na ang bola. Benitez, pass to number 23. Oh, troubling violation. Number 16, pass to number 6. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 30. Third personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time, last 54 seconds. Score 29-24 in favor of CYA team. Two shots to Pedro. 1 point. Last 1 shot to Pedro. One point again. Inbound number 16. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Dribble the ball. Last 45 seconds. Number 1, wide. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 16 ang bola ng pure 16. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 7, Artes. Dribble the ball. 30 seconds. Number 8, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola ng CY8. Hubahib. Hubahib, binaba na ang bola. Dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Pero pinasa kay number 23, Alvarez. No good. Follow up by number 1 for 2 points. Inbound number 7, 10 seconds. Pass number 8. Pass is still by number 23. Pass number 1. Number 1, Hubahib. Jump shot. No good. The end of the second quarter. Ayan. Okay, and down. Back to the ball game. The ball game. The ball game. Inbound. Inbound. Number 11, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Number 16. Sumalaksak. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 13. Number 13, second personal foul. First team foul. Yan, maulang gabi po sa inyong lahat. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. Maulang gabi sa inyong lahat. No good. Rebound by number 13 ng CY8 team. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 3, Debas. Sumalaksak. Inangat. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Debas ang bola. Tinira. No good again. Natabing ni number 16. Number 60 pero nakuha ni number 15. Number 16. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 7. Artes. Jump shot. No good. Number 40. Benitez. Still by number 16. Foul by number 30. Warning to graduate, second team foul. Number 30, warning to graduate. Inbound, number 11. Pass to number 15. Back to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 7. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib, binaba ng bola. Sumalaksak, pinasa kay number 2, jump shot for 2 points. Ayun, may tumutulong doon. Number 16, Guerrero. Binababa ang bola. Still the number 13. Number 13 ang CY18. Pass to number 30. Jump shot. Foul. By number 15. First personal foul. First team foul.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Now, oh, outside. There are 16 balls. Inbound. Inbound, number 14. Corsanes. Pass to number 7, Artes. Number 7, pass to number 11. Santos. Binigay kay number 14 ang bola. Corsanes. Oh. Foul. Number 23, Alvarez. First personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound, number 14. Pass to number 7. Number 7, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 7 ang bola. Oh, offensive foul by number 7. Second personal foul. Inbound. Number 13. Pass to number 30. Benitez. Binalik kay number 30 ng bola at binalik kay number 30, Benitez. Pass to number 2. Nakuha ni number 13, block by number 15, rebound by number 1, Hubahib. 10 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 13 ng CY8 ang bola. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Pass to number 1, binigay kay number 2, back to number 1, Hubahib, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 7, pass back to number 14, Corsanes. 13 points. Number 30, pass break to number 23. Number 23, pass to number 1. Hubahib. Oh, foul by number 11. Number 11. Pagpikit ko, number 11 na eh. First personal foul. Second, team foul. One point. Number 7, Artes, pass number 11, pass number 3. Number 3, pass number 14. Number 14, sumalaksak. Pero nagpasa kay number outside. Same ball. Shot clock natin, 9 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Remaining shot clock, 8 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Number 14, Corsanes. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Corsanes ang bola. Jump shot. No good again. Rebound by number 1. Hubahib. Hubahib. Nakakuha ng foul. Ang galing. Okay, inbound. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 30, Benitez. Pass break to number 2, the pass. The pass. Binigay kay number 30 ang bola. Pass to number 23, Alvarez, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 13, jump shot, no good. Oh, number 1 for 2 points. Hubahib. Binabalan ni number 15 ang bola. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Jump shot, no good. Ako ni number 13 ng CY18. Number 30, pass to number 1, Hubahib. No good. Foul. Timeout, Pure 16. Timeout, Pure 16. Foul number 15.
Isa lang eh.
No good.
O, di ba? Good.
Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Nakuha ni number 2 ang bola to pass. Pass to number 19, Kendrick. No good. Ang killing spot. Jump shot ni number 2 to pass for 2 points. Inbound number 16. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 6. Dignos, nabitawan ng bola. Still by number 1. Hubahid. Pass to number 19. Kendrick. Wala nang patilya si Kendrick. Number 2, the pass. Pass to number 13. Sinira for no good. Only number 7, Artes. Pass to number 8, Chason jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 1, pass to number 19. Number 19, back to number 1. Number 1, Hubahid, dribble the ball. Jump shot for 3 points. Corsanes, pinabang ng bola, sumalaksak. Nilayap, no good. Rebound by number 1. Remaining time last 4 minutes, score 30-41 in favor of CY8 team. Pass break, outside. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 50 seconds, score 30-41 in favor of CY8 team. Number 19, Kendrick. Pass to number 13, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 8 ang bola. Number 16, Chason. Diniretso na. Foul. Counted. By number 19, Kendrick. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. No good. CY18 ball. Inbound number 13, pass to number 19. Pass to number 2, Depas. Depas, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 1, Hubahid jump shot, no good. Natabig niya ba yung bola ng number 13, Palkutila. Pass to number 2, 80 shot. The pass, binigay kay number 23, Alvarez for 2 points. Alba Rush. Number 16, pinababa ang bola. Pass to number 7, Artes. Artes, dribble the ball. Artes, pass to number 14, Corsanes. Sumalaksak, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 14. Pass to number 19, Kendrick, back, pass to number 2. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 3, is still by number 7, Artes. Pass back to number 6. Oh, outside the ring begin. And substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Score 34-43 in favor of CY18. Baliktaran. Okay, inbound. Number 1, pass to number 2. Depas. Depas, binababa ang bola. Binigay number 19, Kendrick, pass to number 1. No good. Nakuha ni number 8 ang bola, pass to number 6. Oh, nakuha ni number 8, inasa kay number 7. Still, outside. Is held on the line. Here's 16 ball. Inbound number 7. Number 14, Corsanes. Oh, nakakuha ng foul. Counted. Two stop, rep. Number 19, substitution rep. Penalty. Third personal foul. Penalty. No good. Ako ni number 1 ang bola, Hubahib. Pass to number 2, the pass. Binalik kay Hubahib. Pass to number 13, Pinila, no good. Nakuha ni number 16. Pass to number 7, pass break ni number 7 kay number 14. Outside, CY18 ball. Remaining time, last 1 minute. 1 minute. Number 2, pass to number 19. Kendray, dribble the ball. Back to number 2. Pass to number 1. 8 to shoot. Number 13 for 2 points. Number 1. Pinabala ang bola. Pass to number 8, Chanson. Jump shot for 2 points. Last 32 seconds. The pass. Penalty foul. The number 2, the pass. Number 2, warning to Broadway. Substitution rep. Last 24 seconds. Seconds. Score 38-45 in favor of CY8 team. Number 16, pass to number 8, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 1, 15 seconds. Back to number 1, 10 seconds. Number 1, throw the ball. Sumalaksak. Nilayap for 2 points. The end of the third quarter. Robas! Kapag single ka, mag-robas ka. Siguradong magtatagal ka sa banyo. And Katchalis. Siguradong tanggal lang yung galis sa Katchalis.
Ako na mga sponsor yan. Hindi naman nagbibigay. Bakit parang lamunan?
Maraming salamat nga pala sa nagbigay ng Gatorade sa akin. Kay Mr. Black 9 ng CY8. Okay, inbound, number 13. Number 19. Pass to number 13, back to number 19. Jump shot. Kendray, no good. Until ang spot. Outside. Same ball. CY18 ball. Remaining shot clock, 9 to shoot. Number 1, Hubahib sa malaksak. Layup, no good. Still ni number 15, ako ni number 13 ng bola. Pasa number 19, Kendra. Anong tawag, rep? Number 20. Hans po, Tito. Hans Potato. First personal foul. First team foul.
Mashed potato. Mashed potato pala yung potato. Wala namang maus ako.
Number 30, Benitez. Oh? 6 to shoot. Jump shot for 2 points by number 1, Wahid.
Dahil isa na mamaus ako.
Number 14, Corsanes. Jump shot. No good. Number 1, ng Pure 16. Pinasa kay number 14. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. For 2 points. Yay!
Yay, yung potato.
Number 30. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 19. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 30 ang bola ng CY8. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 19. Kendry again. No good again. Follow up. No good. Nakuha ni number 13. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 1. 8 to shoot. Pass to number 15. Block. Foul by number 20. Second personal foul. Second team foul. One point. Last one shot to Padro.
No good. Nakuha ni number 7, Artes. Pass to number 8, Shason. Shason. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Sumalaksak. Itinira for 2 points. Inbound, number 15, pass to number 19. Number 30, Benitez. Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15, send to shoot. Number 13, jump shot for 2 points. Number 13. Number 8, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 7. Binigay kay number 14. Corsanes, take shot. Bitawan ang bola. Tinira for 2 points. Inbound number 1, pass to number 30, Benitez. Oh! Back court. Tama ba? O lifting. Back court? Back court. Back court. Back court, Cavite. Okay, inbound. Number 14, Corsanes. Pass. Natapik ang ball pero nakuha pa rin ni number 7, Artes. Dribble the ball. Nakakuha na ng foul. Number 15. Second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Inbound number 3. Pass to number 7. Number 7, Artes. Oh, timeout. Number 15. Technical. Number 15, technical. For faking a foul. Fake. Objection, Your Honor. Faking a foul.
Oh, may good.
Oo. Technical. Hindi kayo kumakain sa vlogger.
Number 14, Corsanes, sumalaksak. Nabitawan ng bola. Same ball. Same ball. Yo. Oh. Number 16, tinira no good. Oh, foul. Who's foul, Rob? Number 23, Alvarez. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Yung sinasabi lang nila yung binabanggit ko. Number 16, pass to number 14, pass to number 7. Binawan na bola pero nakuha number 3, is still there number 13, pass to number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid, tinira na for 2 points. Foul counted. Who's up? Number 8. Number 8, Jason. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Naano niya siguro yung technical, wala namang yung
1 point. Number 16, Guerrero. Pass break to number 14, Corsanes. Oh! Foul by number 1, Hubayim. First personal foul, third team foul.
No!
1 point, last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Inbound number 1, pass to number 30. Benitez. Binabala ang bola. Hanap ng papasahan. Ano ba si number 1? Oh, same ball. Next game, CY7 versus SCM Kia. Number 40, pass to number 1. Hubahid. Sumalaksak, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola, pass to number 19, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1 for 2 points.
Time out daw.
Time out. Your ang hirap pag may dry cough. Number 8, pass break to number 20. Oh, foul. Number 1, second personal foul, warning to penalty. Ooh, no good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Oh, dito nga nga. CY18 ball. Mr. Green ball. Okay, inbound. Number 30 versus number 19. Number 30. Benitez. Back to number 13. Pass to number 1. Babahi. 10 to shoot. Number 19. Jump shot. No good. Nawani Alvarez. Pass to number 30. 3 to shoot. 2 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 19 ang bola. Kendra. Jump shot. Number 16, Guerrero. Pass to number 14, jump shot. No good. Number 8, jump shot. No good. Reload to number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib dribble the ball. Pinabana ang bola, Hubahib. Pass to number 30, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 8 ang bola, Shasang. Pass to number 14. Number 14, Gonzalez. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound by number 1, Hubahi. Pass to number 19, Kendray. Kendray dribble the ball. Pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 30. Benitez. 10 to shoot. Sumalaksak. Tinira, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 16, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 8, shots on, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, pass to number 23. Alvarez, pass to number 30. Number 19, jump shot. Number 16.
Ay, hindi mo pumasok yun. 4-3 sana.
Warning!
Warning. Number 8, warning to Broadway. Number 2, the pass. Pinabana ang bola. The pass, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 30. And number 1, 3 to shoot. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 8, pass to number 16, Guerrero. Pinabana ang bola. Guerrero, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7, Arthur. Bigay number 14, jump shot. No good. Winning number 16. Oh, no good. Winning number 13 ng CY18. Pinababa ang bola. Pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 30. Binigay kay number 1. Pass to number 13. Tinira. No good. Is failed by number 2. The pass. Pass to number 20. At 30. Number 1. Oh! Pinukul yung SCNT. The joke lang. Number 14, Gonzalez. Big shot, jump shot. no good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Pass number 30, pass number 2. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Score 50-62 in favor of CY8 team. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 7, Artes. Okay, pero ako pa rin. Pass break pa rin kay number 18. Number 18, pass to number 8, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 2. Number 2, pass to number 30. Number 30, nababa na bola. Good. Your 16 team ball. Oh yeah. That's 1 minute and 47 seconds. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. For Sanes, take shot, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number. Oh, timeout. CY8 team. Okay, inbound number 13. Pass to number 2, the pass. The pass, laban ang bola. The pass, dribble the ball. Pass to number 13. Number 13, Kinira, no good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 8, Shason. Shason, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Shason. Kinira for 2 points. Anong tawag? Saludation rep. Injury timeout. Wala naman eh. Inbound number 1. Hubahib. Last 1 minute. 1 minute. Benitez. Pass to number 1. Hubahib. Hubahib, dribble the ball. Hubahib. 10 to shoot. Sorry. 5 to shoot. Hubahib, sumalaksak. For 2. Remaining time is 45 seconds. Number 16, Guerrero. Pinaba ng bola. Guerrero, pinasa kay number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, ibinigay kay number 8 ang bola. Number 8, Shason. Pass na back to number 14. Ibinigay kay number no good. Ang tirang spot. Number 14, Corsanes for 2 points. Last 25 seconds. Pass break. The pass for 2 points. 20 seconds. Number 14, jump shot. No good. 10 seconds. Okay, hinagis na po ang punig pa nyo. Ang nanalo, CY8 here.